peach tiramisu, you will need 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 6 tablespoons of bourbon, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 peaches, the juice of 1/2 lemon, 2 to 3 packages of ladyfingers, and ground cinnamon. Peel, slice, and pit the peaches and combine them in a medium bowl with the brown sugar and lemon juice. Give everything a good toss to coat and set it aside. While your peaches macerate, make your mascarpone whipped cream. In a medium bowl or a large bowl, you may want to use a bigger bowl than what I have here. Combine the whipping cream, the mascarpone cheese, 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 4 tablespoons of the bourbon. Beat with an electric mixer on low speed at first, gradually increasing the speed to high as it mixes until the mixture comes together and is thick and fluffy. It won't look like much at first and it will be quite lumpy, but keep beating. Eventually the lumps will smooth out and everything will thicken and you will have this very luscious, sweet, bourbony whipped cream. In a shallow dish, combine the 1 cup of milk and the remaining 2 tablespoons of bourbon. This mixture is your soaking liquid. I like to use a shallow dish for this because it gives me the option of either dipping the ladyfingers or drizzling the ladyfingers. Because these cake-like ladyfingers are very fragile, especially once they've been saturated with the soaking liquid, I like to drizzle rather than dip because it gives me more time to get the ladyfingers into place before they fall apart. I can always drizzle on more of the soaking liquid if I feel that they're too dry. Arrange the soaked or drizzled ladyfingers in the bottom and along the sides of a square baking dish. If your ladyfingers look a little dry, drizzle some more of the soaking liquid over them. Lay the sliced peaches slightly overlapping in a snug layer over the ladyfingers. Top the peaches with another layer of soaked ladyfingers. Spread the mascarpone whipped cream over the ladyfingers using all of the mixture and spreading it into an even layer, and then dust generously with ground cinnamon. Cover and refrigerate the whole thing for 4 to 12 hours before serving. For more cooking videos, visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.